The GMAT does not test any complex mathematical concepts and does not go beyond the materials taught during high school algebra and geometry classes. However, even if you have taken a calculus course, don't assume that you will have no problems with GMAT math. The test is designed in such a way to give all test takers an equal chance regardless of the courses they have taken in high school or college. The solutions are rather easy, but spotting a correct answer among the answer choices can be really challenging. The most successful test takers are not the ones who can perform long and complex calculations, but those who can spot an easy way to solve a particular problem. So, basically, GMAT is designed to test your ability to find that simple solution rather than your ability to perform complex mathematical operations. If you are solving a GMAT problem and see that you have to apply some advanced mathematics or perform lengthy calculations, the chances are that you are going the wrong way. Even though GMAT does not require advanced mathematical knowledge, you have to master the concepts that it does test. Some tricks and strategies may help you eliminate several answer choices or even spot the correct one, but there is no set of tricks that can get you a high score without knowing the mathematics. Therefore, if you are going for a high score, you will have to work hard and master all the math concepts tested on the GMAT, as well as learn about the traps and tricks GMAT uses to lure you away from the correct answer choice. Don't be afraid of the GMAT. If you are willing to study and work hard, your score will improve significantly. The math section of the GMAT tests mathematics which was learned at some period of life by all test takers: arithmetic, algebra, geometry without proofs, probability, combinatorics, and basic statistics. You will have to solve problems, determine what information is sufficient to solve them, and identify information relevant to the problem. However, your knowledge of trigonometry or advanced statistics will not be tested.